Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetradingSystem.com. I'm making this video about gold. So let's get started. Now, this is a gold chart I made first on 15th October 2022, right? And this is March 2024. So yeah, so I'm watching this, this wave 5 I'm going to show now. So like this is the monthly chart, right? This is the wave 3, this is wave 4, 1, 2, 3, and then ABC 4, and we supposed to go up for wave 5, right? So this is how it is. So this is a weekly chart, right? That's wave 1, ABC 2, 3, 4, ABC 4, and then we're supposed to go up for wave 5. And this is the chart showing really that we're supposed to be going from here to here, a little bit above wave 3 as for wave 5, right? So I'm going to skip a lot of charts in between, right? So I made chart almost every week and several times in a week, but it's a lot of chart. So now this chart is in February, last last month, February 2024, that we started to go for this wave 5 up there. And this is how we went. We came down and then start to go. So this is the chart, and the target was shown here, 127%, which is 2153. And I was expecting that drop, maybe a little drop here to 1987 or 1959, and then move to the upside again. So what happened? This is the chart on the 23rd February. So it came down, instead of 1987, it came down to 1984, a little bit lower than that, and then it started to go up. Now, since then, I start to go long with, taking long trades. So let me show you this. Now, as of 23rd February, this is the monthly chart. This is how it looks like, right? So now from the 23rd, it started to go up, and then this is the first trade on the 23rd from 100 BS brick size. This is a buy order, and you can see the trade from there, right? This one, and then on the 29th Feb, I had this long straight up to 2049. I said, do you what I see when it was here, when I made the entry, before I made the entry, I made the chart, and then I took the trade to 2049. Then this is another one. This is my son took it, right? That was from 40. That was me, and this is my son also taking, trading gold. So from there, and then this is the March 1st trade. Again, beautiful trade above 2049. The price went above 2049. I placed my EA, and then EA took this trade. Beautiful trade from 2050 to 2087. Now, what happened? Why 2087? I closed the trade because there was a big level 20. Let me show you the live chart and weekly chart. You see this high here. This is 2088. So when we were very close to that, I said, okay, enough. So I closed this trade there. Now I was expecting a drop, a little bit drop from there, and this one also, when I took that one, and this is my son took it from 70 BS chart. Beautiful entry. He also used that EA, and then that EA robot opened the trade, and boom. Again, it was also 2087, very close to 2087. Now, then I made the chart, and this is the chart I made yesterday, saying that, okay, my initial count were not, well, they were fine, but the thing is that I was expecting that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then A, B, C correction. No. Actually, what happened is that sometimes, and that's why I'm making the Elliott wave course right now, right? Sometimes you have wave 1 extension, sometimes you have wave 3 extension, sometimes you have wave 5 extension. Now, if the pressure is too much, then wave 2 and wave 4 are very small, very shallow, and that's what the case was here. This was actually wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave 1 only. Then comes this A, B, C correction, very small wave 2, sideways correction because the pressure was too much. Then it start to go up for wave 3. And when it was here around 100%, I said maybe it's going to drop first and then go, because the week was ended, right? Week ended, and then I said, well, maybe over the weekend, things will slow down a little bit, and then here comes Monday, and we will probably retrace first and then go to the upside. But knowing that, let me show you a diagram. Where the heck that diagram is? let me see. I closed it. I opened it and then accidentally I closed it. But I'll open it real quick. Yeah, here. Now, wave 3, usually the measurement for wave 3 is 161% of wave 1, right? So if you look at this chart here, where the heck that chart go? Here. So wave 1, 2, and then wave 3 should go to 161. But here we had like 100%, right? FE 100%. And 161 is above that, the level 161. So what happened today? We, instead of going down, retracing, we went up above 2088. And then I said, well, if that's the case, then we are going for 161, definitely. And then what happened? We went there. We went above it, and then this is a weekly chart. Let me show you where's that chart. All right, so this is, see this 2088 is this. So as soon as it goes above this level from the 100 brick size chart, I place my EA robot, and then it opened the trade right here. You can see the arrow, right? Buy order, and then from 2088, well, that's not this. From 2095, it took it to 2116. And then I close this trade here. Why? Because of this chart. Let me show you this chart. You see this? This is wave 1, this is wave 2, and then boom. This was first we stopped here, 2088. Was allowed like 100%, but this is where we stopped today. 161% exactly. And that is the exact calculation for wave 3. So I'm not going to go long anymore unless we have wave 4, some kind of zigzag or flat or whatever, but ABC correction. But I need some retracement now, okay? Because wave 3 is finished here. Then we need wave 4, and then maybe again we will go up for wave 5. So this is what happened exactly. I'm going to make the new chart for wave 4, and let's see from there. This is the current. Okay, this is the chart. I recorded it, right? So see, it's slowly coming down. Hopefully, it will come down somewhere here. Now we need 38% of wave 3, which will be. Whoops! What happened to my chart? I mean, my fib. Let me just grab my fib. These are all the fib that I already pre-made and then saved it here. Whenever I need one, I can use it from there. And let's see, 38% of this, if you don't go above it, 38% would be right here into this area. So basically, it may come down again to 2088 or 2080 area, and then turn to the upside again for wave 5. So let's see what happens. All right. So like I said, today I had this trade just above this. So this is how you trade. It's like I have this system that once that level break, and then I find a long setup or short setup above or below that level, I take it. Simple as that. So 2088 was the level. I closed my previous trade before that, and then today we broke above it, and from here straight up to the next level, which was the Fibonacci expansion for wave 3 calculation, 161%, and this is where the story ends for today. Let's see what happened tonight. Tomorrow I'll update you guys, and then this is the current chart. I have it? No, but let me show you the current chart. The current weekly chart is, my target is still there, up there. My target is 2153, and right now we are at 2111. Like I said, we may go back down to 2088 and then go up to the towards my target. So see, I'm covering this wave 5 from wave 4 to wave 5 since October 2022, and all of the up down every step of the way. I made like hundreds of charts so far, and then finally we are very close to this final target. All right, so this is it for now. Just wanted to share with you guys. If you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, you want to get my system, that my entry system, I get beautiful entries all over the place, right? All of these are entries. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, right? This one. These were beautiful long entries, and look at the results, all right? So if you want to get the system, go on my website, creativetradingsystems.com and subscribe or whatever. You have multiple options there and take it from there. All right. So this is it for now and talk to you guys later.